Hi, this is Tamarai, back to you all. In this presentation, we are going to learn what is neural network in AI ML. Let's get into the topic. What is a neural network? A neural network is a method in artificial intelligence that teaches computer to process the data in a way that is inspired by the human brain. It is a type of machine learning process called deep learning that uses interconnected nodes or neurons in a layered structure that resembles the human brain. It creates an adaptive system that computers use to learn from their mistakes and improve continuously. Thus, artificial neural networks attempts to solve complicated problems like summarizing documents or recognizing faces with great accuracy. Why are neural networks important? Neural networks can help computer make intelligent decisions with limited human assistance. This is because they can learn and model the relationship between input and output data that are nonlinear and complex. It can comprehend unstructured data and make general observation with explicit training. For instance, they can recognize that two different input sentences have similar meaning. Can you tell me how to make the payment? How do I transfer money? A neural network would know that both the sentences mean the same thing. Where do we use neural network? Neural network have several use cases across many industries, such as the following: medical diagnosis, targeted marketing, financial predictions, forecasting, process and quality control, compositions, also in computer vision, speech recognition, natural language processing, and recommendation engines. How do neural networks work? The human brain is the inspiration behind neural network architecture. Human brain cells called neurons form a complex, highly interconnected network and sends electrical signals to each other to help humans process information. Similarly, an artificial neural network is made of artificial neurons that work together to solve a problem. Artificial neurons are software modules called nodes, and artificial neuron networks are software programs or algorithms that at their core uses computing systems to solve mathematical calculation. Here is a simple neural network architecture. A basic neural network has interconnected artificial neurons in three layers: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. Let's see the types of neural networks. Artificial neural networks can be categorized by how the data flows from the input node to the output node. Here are some examples: feed-forward neural networks, backpropagation algorithm, convolutional neural networks. Feed-forward neural networks. It processes data in one direction, from the input node to the output node. Every node in one layer is connected to every node in the next layer. A feed-forward network uses a feed-backward process to improve predictions over time. Backpropagation algorithm. Artificial neural networks learn continuously by using corrective feedback loops to improve their predictive analytics. In simple terms, you can think of the data flowing from the input node to the output node through many different paths in the neural network. Only one path is the correct one that maps the input node to the correct output node. To find this path, the neural network uses a feedback loop, which works as follows. Each node makes a guess about the next node in the path. It checks if the guess was correct. Nodes assign high weight values to the path that leads to more correct guesses, and lower weight values to the node paths that leads to the incorrect guesses. For the next data point, the node makes a new prediction using the high weight path and then repeats the step 1 again. Convolutional neural networks. The hidden layers in the convolutional neural networks perform specific mathematical functions like summarizing or filtering, called convolutions. They are very useful for image classifications because they can extract relevant features for images that are useful for image recognition and classification. The new form is easier to process without losing features that are critical for making a good prediction. Each hidden layer extracts and processes different images, features like edges, colors, and depth, etc. How to train a neural network? Neural network training is the process of teaching a neural network to perform a task. Neural network learns by initially processing several large sets of labeled or unlabeled data. By using these examples, they can then process unknown input more accurately. Using supervised learning. In supervised learning, data scientists give artificial neural network labeled data that provides the right answer in advance. For example, a deep learning network training a facial recognition initially processed the hundreds of thousands of images of human faces with various terms related to ethnic origin, countries, or emotions describing each images. The neural network slowly builds knowledge from these data sets, which provides the right answer in advance. After the network has been trained, it starts making guesses about the ethnic origins and motivations of an image of human faces that is have never processed before. That's all about neural network. If you have any queries, let me know it in comment section. Thank you.